So YouTube, this is Dr. from hzscribe, and I am here today with a plan with me. I don't know how you guys feel, but it seems like it's a little bit harder to plan when you're home and not doing anything. But I am going to do my first week in April, which is actually, we would have been working in our spring break. It would have been the following week. But anyway, I am going to decorate this. So we are home on quarantine. And so I am going to be decorating. This comes out of my happy planner. And I'm going to be using elements from this stamp, as you will see. And the purse from that one. I already cut them out and colored them. So, and that. And I use Spectrum Award markers. Alrighty, so let's just jump right in. I also have some leftover paper that I'm going to be using, that I cut up some strips from this pad of paper that I got from Tuesday morning a while back. The snow day kit, even though it's not really snow day time, but I'm going to be using it because I cut the paper up and had some strips left over, and I just want to use that up. So I am going to just lay down some of these, and then I'm going to use some washi, and this is double-sided paper. So I hope everyone is doing well, and I know most states are, not all, but closed down at this time. And I'm not sure when I get this video up because there's so much going on, there's so much to get done. But I am doing well, and I pray God's protection over you. There's a lot of scriptures in the Bible about healing. Alright, and then I think I'm going to do I think I'll put that. I'll put that up there. Nope. What am I doing? I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. These are just extra little strips I had left over. Excuse me. I want to make sure I use them up. I'm trying to use the glue also with my strips of paper and finding ways to use them. It has helped me get rid of a lot of leftovers. So that's the primary that I'm going to do, and then I am going to add some of this. I got this washi from Joann's right before we got shut down, and I am going to start out with my checkerboard blue. And where did my, here we go. And then I will use my straight edge to make sure that everything is straight. It's a little short. I hate when I get washi that doesn't stick. Or it's not sticky, but this seems to be sticky, so that's great. So it's like, why don't you just use your regular masking tape and just print on it? Then we know the washi will stick. But no, I gotta go change. That's too short too. I hate when I do that. Let me see if I can take it out. I don't know why I swear I'm pulling it further enough. I don't know why I keep coming up short. Probably hear the kids outside. I do have my window shut, but they're at rate in the backyard. Having fun. No cares in the world. They don't act like they have no cares in the world because they've been outside like every day, enjoying no school. Alrighty. Then I think I'm gonna alternate this over here. The one thing I'm glad about is the daylight is changing. And so we'll have a little bit longer days, just slightly. I keep doing it too short. And I'm sorry I'm so far over. Alright. Nothing too fancy, just a little bit of color. Okay? And then I think I'm going to add my little elements. And I'm going to add, I colored her and cut her out, plus the cut on the stamp set I just showed you with my Rongrong girl. She looks like she's at a cafe. And I don't normally use glue. Sometimes it warps your pages just a little bit, but I'm kind of okay with that. Now let's see, this one I'm going to have the sentiment that says, "A life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be," and that comes from the same stamp set.
It's 5:30 דקות בבוקר.
This is my computer. And let's see. Put that right there. I just have some webinars and stuff I have to watch. But I need to add this weather is really crazy. Let's see, what do I want to put? The little croissant. Okay. Then I think we're going to add, let's see, from this one, this came from, actually got it from AC Moore. But it's paper house, so Hobby Lobby probably sold it too. And I'm going to put that right across there. And here. It looks crooked, I can tell. But that's because the washer is up there crooked too. Okay. And let's see, we did have payday on the 31st. And cleaning on the wonderful weekend. Well, I did that on, done that on Friday. Okay, and then my brother's birthday, and look at the last one. Okay. Alright, and then let's see. I think that's good. I think I'm going to add maybe some stamping. And I'm a bit I to sit and wait while I was going through all of that. And I'm just gonna, so this is one, well, probably can't see so well, but I got that from, I want to say, Walmart. I'm almost sure that's where I got it from. So the stamp we're going to use says enjoy the day. Enjoy the moment, sorry. It has the word fun up here. I think I'm going to use that one, and love. If I can get it off. So let's see. Put fun on the weekend. No, that's a good choice. Ain't much fun. Well, I say you can't have fun in the house because you can, and I do. Alright, so we're going to use this love. Look at that. Got ink on the other one, but that's okay. Again, this is just for me. So, I learned to accept imperfection because that is part of life. Let's see, what should I use? Some hearts or some stamps, some stars. I think I use a little heart right there to cover that up. Because that one's, you can fill it in. Good, Okay. They got a piece right there, but that's okay. So that's the heart off the same stamp set. And trying to see what else will fit over here. I'm going to use the word remember. And I think that might be the last of my stamping, I think. Let me see, right here's some more over here. I might use something on this other. I was just killing it. I think I'm gonna use that one. And that, of course, is from another Rongrong. I will show you that in just a second, just so you can make sure you can see it. Okay. So I think that is going to be it. And I am going to show you a close. Okay, so that is the stamp set that I got the Killing It from. And I will show you the rest. So that's just a little close up. Still room to write in whatever is important for the day or for the week. So anyway, that is my final layout for the first week of April. Thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing to hzscribe. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.